Okay, I'm making this real quick video about how you can get into your files that you might want to modify, or maybe the ones that need modified whether you want to do it or not. But when you download the MW2.4, the Arduino, and you set it up, you should extract your files to the same folder that it came in. What that does is it pops up all these folders along the top. That's all the folders that came in that zipped up file. Now, in order to utilize it, you click that arrow right there. That brings up the pull down tab. Okay, and you can run your mouse up and down, and when you get down here to config H, well, that's the file you click on to set things up in your MW2 to get it flying. But there's other times when you might need to modify something else, and that involves, let's say you want to use WinGUI with MW2.4, which is not really possible without making a modification. When you try to open MW2.4 on a WinGUI, you get an error message that says version mismatch, expected 2.30 or expected 230, received 240. Well, in order to get rid of that message, you have to go here, MW H, click it. There you will see that. What you'll see if you're using the 2.4, you'll see that. What you need to do is change it to that. Then go upload it to your flight controller. You could save it too, because if you're going to use it again, I mean, if you want to use the Windows WinGUI again, you change it down the road or whatever. I don't know. It's just that's the number you got to change to 230 in order to open with WinGUI. Okay, in this video I'm going to show how the version number in your Arduino IDE, which is this Arduino 1.61, the multiwi.h file. The version number is 230. Now it does, if you're running Arduino MW 2.4 instead of MW 2.3, your version is going to read 240. So what I did is this is version 2.4 I'm running, and I wanted it to open up in my WinGUI, which is this right here. It's not open. I'm going to show you how I connect to it. So this is the version I'm running. It's version 230. I went and changed that myself and uploaded the file. I went and hit upload and sent the file to my quad through my USB. Now I'm going to show you that with 230 it connects no problem. I just hit the connect button. It connected. I have no problems. Everything's working. Okay, now I'm going to hit disconnect. Okay, I've disconnected. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to change this version back to 240. And then I'm going to show you the error that comes up. Now, what I'm going to do, I upload that. We'll upload it. It's going. It's going. It's going. I'm uploading. There it goes. Any minute now, the red light's going to come on my flight controller and show that it's flashing. And I'll have you know I'm messing up a perfectly good setup to do this for you. Okay, see the little red light going crazy? That's taking the message. Okay. There, it's done now. Okay, it's got the new version. Now, what do you think is going to happen when I try to open this? When I try to open that? Well, let's try it. Let's see what happens. I think it's going to come up with a version mismatch. Oh, yes. Flight control. SW version mismatch. Expected 230, got 240. Huh. Imagine that. Well, let's see what happens when I go change it back and then re-upload. 230. Upload. It's uploading. There it goes. There it goes. The red light splashing. That means it's taking the message. Must be a good compilation. Boom. Okay. The new version is now installed as 230. It's the same software. It's 240. But I just changed the number. Matter of fact, now I can close this. I don't need that no more. Now, will it connect? Well, you betcha. Connected. Imagine that. If you do things right, it works.